into these other caves. This cuts off like a good chunk of time. Like a good chunk. It's like 79K of this. It'd be way more than 90K if we took the other way. But yeah, so we're gonna head down this road and then yeah, then on to the next set of caves, which is sweet. Alright, we have made it.
Oh shit, so there's a couple of caves.
Where
the fuck are we?
We're down here.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah.
Oh.
She's a walk and a half.
In snow too.
Could be hard
Why
packed.
did they not put fucking scales on this map? Oh, they do. Okay, right on. Oh, that's 10 meters. So it's like the other caves. It looks long, but it's not. That whole thing is 10 meters.
Oh.
Scale, okay.
Well, that's not bad then.
Yeah.
No, well it says right here, the caves are right after this bridge.
Oh, right on.
Super,
yeah, let's
super
go.
helpful. Good old views.
It's weird to me that they wouldn't have had this trail, like, on the map. Oh shit, it literally suggests... this must be rock bolted then.
Why?
Because they give you a suggested route to walk through the cave.
So is it way bigger?
Unless
or is it just...
this is their map, and no, this is inside the cave, yeah. Yeah, so that's what you're seeing. The light from.
Huh. Oh yeah, it does go deeper in there. It doesn't go crazy deep. Alright, well.
Doesn't look like you can get all the way to the back end.
No. There's no way you can get all the way through there. We're going down, we're gonna back down this way. We're gonna go where they came from. Because there's the water. And then there's another cave that you can crawl in. Should we go this way or this way?
I don't want to crawl. They said that looks like there's loose rock.
That's over here.
I'll be the yeah, is there water down in there?
Yeah, there's water down in here.
Let's just go this way. Trying to stay out of their way too, because it sounded like they were taking pictures.
That's kind of sketchy.
What?
I stuck a piece of wood in here.
That was pretty fun.
Don't touch it, Jake.
No, well, my GoPro not.
Where do we go?
You're investigating. Damn spider crickets. Ollie, can you ever go down here, man? Oh yeah, she goes way down here, man. It's like, yeah, crab walking. You got her, Ashley.
Do you see a light at the end of there?
No, there's no light. It's just...
Right at the end of the tunnel.
No.
I don't like this.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
This cave is sweet.
Yeah, I'm really glad we came here.
Yeah.
Yes, 100%.
100%. It goes back so far. Oh, I do see a light over there. Maybe it does a big circle.
Thank God.
Oh no, it couldn't have done a big circle.
This is the way they came in, I
This is a totally different spot. Oh yeah. The view, guys. Trevor's coming with his bright light. What?
Not comment, Brendan.
No. That's what I said, you gotta crab walk. We got a waterfall here. Yeah. Everything is iced. Just gotta be careful. Okay. Well, Trevor found another cave. He went one way, I went the other to see what was down here. We came out of that cave. Come up up there too. But Trevor found another one up there, so we're gonna climb up there and meet up and check this other one out. These rocks are deadly when they have a little bit of ice on them. Whew! Climbed all the way up this. There's that nice waterfall. Can you get in it?
Oh yeah, if you wanted to. It'd probably be harder getting out than getting in. I don't know that you would want to, but there is ground down there.
I don't know if you can get back up this once you get down it. But I want you to come check out this one because underneath this looks like a big one underneath this, inside of this.
Okay. If I were to do this without destroying myself while simultaneously doing it one-handed. Christ, this is steep.
Yeah, she's pretty steep.
That's just all slip and fucking clay. I'm just trying to take our extra step.
Yeah, always take your time.
Big dive in here would be not so good. No.
Okay, so if you come down in this hole.
Yeah, look at all the calcification too. That's crazy. All the calcification. So this wasn't here before. This all came in through a crack and it sealed the crack.
Huh.
That's boss.
Down in here, man.
Oh, Jesus.
Dude, it opens right up down there. Like, stand where I am, and you can see it opens way up in there.
Holy shit. Yeah, it really does.
Yeah. I'll go down a little bit and just take a look.
Okay, but
I won't go
when
right
in
in.
doubt, get out.
Yeah.
It's pretty damn tight, man. Holy shit.
Oh, dude, it's a big.
Don't go head first.
It's a big circle. Big circle spot in there.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. A big room in there, just a circle room. Yeah, freaking neat. I wish there was
I want to see it, but it's not worth it.
Yeah. I don't even think I got it on the camera because this light sucks.
That's crazy.
Yeah, it's definitely cool in there. Oh.
Vibing?
Yeah, this one just doesn't go very far.
Okay.
This one just goes to right here. Looks like a.
should have seen the hole he just tried to squeeze into.
I heard you guys talking. I was like, yeah.
I'm like, don't go head first, don't go head first.
Yeah. Alright guys, well there's a ton of caves here. I found another one. This one's a big one too.
Just see your light dancing around down there, it just disappears. Does that end?
No, it's pretty big in here.
Here we go again.
Like it goes down to a second level.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
This one's a nice walk in instead of crawling.
Yeah, no, you can walk all the way. It's a little mucky though.
That's it.
It is mud. There's a. Coming, Ashley?
Pretty quick.
I've seen a little one, like a couple little ones. There's one right there, yeah. Just a little guy.
Oh yeah. Demon crickets.
But this one, he looks like you'd have to crawl in though. I don't think many people going down. Oh no, my light died! That's death. You die. Oh, it opens right up back down there.
Oh yeah.
You be going down?
I mean, it's a pretty short crawl.
Huh?
Because we're insatiable, I'm sure.
Yeah. Hey.
Our thirst for caving cannot be quenched. Oh, this is fucking rad.
Oh, be careful.
No, it's just my backpack.
Oh yeah, you brought a backpack, eh?
Yeah.
And then it stops.
Whoa, that's so cool. It's like a channel for your noggin.
Yeah. Like
Oh yeah, it just gets too low down. Oh, my fucking shoulders are too wide. Oh, it curves. It takes a corner.
Like how big of a corner?
Oh yeah, you can perfect. So good.
Man, it goes way down here.
Yeah, I know. After it takes that corner.
Yeah. But it looks like there's water down there.
Yeah, that's depth for us.
I fit through here a fucking minute.
I did not.
Dude, I literally walk in there like it's nothing.
I couldn't go sideways because of the backpack.
Wow.
Pretty badass.
Yeah, that is pretty sweet.
Well, there's definitely been people down here.
Yeah.
How many people carving in the rock here?
Carving in the rock.